you will need the following tools. 2 half-inch wrenches. Before assembly, it is a good idea to place a drop cloth on the floor. This will help protect the chair. Open the base box. This is the smaller of the 2 boxes. Set the base on the floor. Unwrap the cylinder from the plastic bag and remove the green mesh. Open the grease packet located in the cylinder bag and place a line of grease around the cylinder, 2 inches from the bottom. Insert the bottom of the cylinder into the base. Place another line of grease around the cylinder, approximately 1/2 inch from the top. Open the chair box. This is the larger of the 2 boxes and may require a team lift. Take the seat back out of the box and remove the plastic. Locate the small red bag attached to the cardboard supports and set it aside. The red bag contains the hardware you will need for assembly. Remove the cardboard filler. Take the seat bottom out of the box and remove the plastic bag. Place the seat bottom on the floor with the cushion side down. The U channel should face towards you. With the seat back cushion side down, slide the J bar into the seat bottom U channel. Line up the 4 holes. Place 1 washer on the bolt head side and thread through the pre-machined hole. Then place an additional washer and the nut on the opposite side of the bolt head. Use 1/2 inch wrench to hold the bolt in place. Then use the second 1/2 inch wrench to tighten the bolt. Repeat steps 5 and 6 until all 4 bolts are secured. Next, slide the cylinder with attached base into the machined hole of the tilt mechanism. Bring the chair upright. Open the armrest box. This is in the chair box. Unscrew the 2 hand wheels. These are located on the bottom of the seat, both left and right sides. Slide armrest into the pre-machined armrest slot. For C-loop arms, the closed section should go to the front of the chair. For swing arms, the arm must swing to the back. Screw the hand wheels in until snug. Do not over-tighten. If the hand wheel screws in crooked, stop immediately. Remove the hand wheel and start over. This will prevent cross-threading. Sit in the chair and make sure all the adjustments work properly.
Now that you have your chair together, enjoy it. If you do, let us know.